Imagine a countdown clock on your screen. You have 10 minutes to go from a blank screen to a money-making digital product. The rules for this experiment were absolute. No writing code, no back-end development, no Python, and no developer console. We needed a specific audience facing a persistent daily problem. Digital marketers constantly need fresh content. Every day they are trying to generate better email subject lines, sharper Facebook ad hooks, and new SEO angles. To solve that problem, we built a premium AI prompt library, a curated vault of high-value marketing ideas designed to shortcut their creative process. Launching a software business no longer requires months of planning. It only requires picking a hyper-specific audience and starting the clock. With the timer running, the first step is creating the core value. Instead of brainstorming manually, we use ChatGPT as a rapid content engine. A single, well-crafted prompt directed the AI to generate 50 premium marketing templates across multiple categories. In mere seconds, dozens of structured, usable ideas appeared on the screen. We took that raw generated text and pasted it straight into a standard Google Sheet, which instantly became the brain of our application. Alongside columns for category, title, and text, we added one crucial column, access level. This dictates the entire business model. By assigning rows to a free preview and locking the rest in a premium vault, we establish exactly what users pay for. In this workflow, the spreadsheet acts as the app's central control room. Every row represents a piece of value, and every category dictates a section of the future product. At the halfway mark of the timer, the back-end structure is locked in, and we pivot to designing the visual interface. We connect our database to Glide, a no-code app builder. Glide automatically reads the spreadsheet columns and instantly generates mobile app screens from the raw data. We apply a dark mode aesthetic and switch to card-style layouts, making the interface cinematic and premium. Next, we configure access logic. Free content opens normally, while premium content remains inaccessible to new visitors. The final technical step is connecting a Stripe account. We attach a checkout flow that charges users a one-time fee to bypass those padlocks. Exactly as the 10-minute timer hits 0, an abstract idea has transformed into a live, publicly accessible digital asset capable of accepting real money. A product isn't real until it's tested. We took the live app link and shared it directly with a small, highly targeted community of freelance marketers. Multiple users navigated through the free categories, hit the paywall, and ultimately paid the $29 fee to unlock the premium vault. Earning $87 in early revenue will not buy a private jet. However, these first few purchases provide the signal we need. They confirm that people will pay for organized leverage. The strategic lesson is scope. Don't build massive platforms. Build a micro-SaaS by starting extremely small. This rapid execution uses a 4-part stack. AI generates the content, Google Sheets organizes the database, Glide builds the interface, and Stripe collects the payments. You can take this exact framework, point it at any niche, build tools for Etsy sellers or sermon outlines for pastors. In 2026, the primary advantage is the speed at which a creator can move from an idea to a live, functional asset. The person who ships fast and gathers real-world data wins.